Yes, here we are live in North Brunswick, New Jersey. December 11th, Thursday, at the entrance of Sheffield Court and Heartland Commons, day after the snow blizzard. And this is what it's all about here. All the snow. And here's yours truly.
He's dropping me off to work because
Lola
I'm afraid
Bansi.
to drive. Thank you, Tony.
Now you just hold it steady. Hold it steady until we get to there.
Otherwise, I'm not going to work. Forget it. I'm afraid to drive. This is where we live. This Heartland Commons. And there's Tony.
Yes, here we are live, ladies and gentlemen.
Driving. He cleaned it last night.
This morning.
No, this morning so that I can go to work. This is the intersection. And that's the park in front, Isabella Park.
Former Marine. Dedicated to a former Marine. The newly renovated Isabella Park.
They do footballs during summertime. We're going to pick up my very good friend Derry, because she has Miata, very small car, and she couldn't drive, and it doesn't go in the snow. Man, oh no, it stays. This is a long stop sign. And all these SUVs carrying a load of ice on top of
Snow.
Snow on top of their roof. This is, what street is this?
Cousins Lane.
Cousins Lane.